Halo Lite controllers are controlled through the Halo Lite app. This app can be downloaded onto multiple mobile devices, however you can only pair one device at a time. You'll need to repair if changing devices. To pair your mobile device to the Halo Lite controller for the first time, download the Halo Lite app from the appropriate app store, enable Bluetooth and location settings on your phone, open the Halo Lite app and press the plus button. Turn off the main power to the Halo Lite controller and then turn it back on. The new Halo Lite controller will be listed under Add Devices in red. This will indicate that it's ready to pair. Tap on it, and once pairing is complete, it'll now appear in the Connected Devices area. If you tap on it, it'll then show serial number, firmware version, signal strength, and once complete, you can tap Devices in the top left and cancel to go back to the main screen. The Halo Lite app will now list this as Pull or Pull and Spar by default. This can be renamed in Settings, and Settings is indicated by the cog in the lower left corner. Tap on Configuration and then tap on Name. Under Configuration, you'll also be able to set the light type from SLX, FLX, LumiPower, Spar Electrics or single colour light. Choose the appropriate light selection. This will allow you to change the colour appropriate to the light that is being connected. On the Halo Lite main page, you better turn the lights off, turn them to auto, or turn them on. You'll also be able to choose the colour selection for multicolour lights. Light timers can also be programmed by pressing the timer button in the lower right hand corner. Halo Lite controllers have two timer settings that can be set. Tap on timer 1 to either activate or deactivate it, and then changing the start and end times. You can do the same thing for timer 2. And that's it. To remove a paired connection, on the home screen, slide to the left and press the delete button.